Hey guys, to make it even better, I'm going to put a magnet right there, so that's good and covered. And put a few extra magnets so this thing won't come undone. So yeah, it's pretty much fully covered in plastic and magnets, so it won't get rained on. So I think that's pretty much the best I could probably get it, unless I decide to shove the few extra magnets we have, which those landed right here. So then I may put some extra magnets on it, I don't know, to hold it down even more. But I will keep you guys posted on it. Hi. Hi. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.